Hey everyone. So yeah, it's been a month, like I said. So this time I'm doing a Velma inspired, which is orange and red. And I'm gonna start by the glow in the dark yellow pencil. Alright, so we're gonna start with this, pretty frosty orange color. So I bleached my hair I think right after I did the last video, and I put in the new Wella rose toner, thinking that my hair would get like a rose tone to it. And I even used the 20 developer, but I think you could barely see it, and as you wash your hair, you see it even less. So I had a little bit of rose gold left, and I stuck it in my conditioner bottle, and that's what I've been using to get this rose tone in my hair. I'm gonna use there's a lot of oranges, but only one red in the palette. I think I'm going to put this dark orange first as the blending color. I think I took too much of that orange because it was pigmented. Alright, there we go. I felt that red was a little bit too on the cool side. So I figured if I put the orange on top, that it would make it a little bit warmer. I'm gonna go again with this goldish. It actually has like a lime green to it, but that's what I'm gonna put as my highlight. There we go. I'm gonna mix that with this pale, with this color right here. You know, a nude color. Yeah, I like that better. That other color is just a little bit too much. I'm gonna put that color right here on the inner corners. Muted gold or something. And let's put that in here. It looks like it's got a brown base to it. But anyway. I think I'm gonna put that orange on top of it. This that orange glitter. Cause it kind of just has too much of a brown base to it. And then I was gonna try just for the liner, it's this blue one. I don't really know how much it's gonna show, but okay. And then I'm gonna use this the pink that's the only liner they have left. And these are like metallic-y, frosty. Okay, so just so you could see orange. The noise it makes is hilarious to me. The browner pencil or crayon or whatever. Alright, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have to say, oh my god, I love that my hair is growing, man. Thank goodness. Yeah, I've been using this 10-in-1. I spoke about it twice already. This is my third time. I put the yellow, this yellow on the inner corner. Then for highlight, I did, again, like last time, I did the gold with this, this white gold with that white silvery color. So that's what I did. I have to say though, this lip balm, it's not very lip balmy. It's a tiny bit dry. So anyway, so that's it. I'll most likely maybe do, I would like to do a color with the silver and the blue. I thought that was really pretty. A look with that, and then I'll be done with that palette and move on to the next Wet and Wild thing. So that's it. So I will see you guys within the month, within another month, and hopefully by then I'm gonna do neon yellow in my hair. I keep saying I'm not gonna bleach my hair anymore, but I really, really, really wanted to do neon yellow hair, so I'm gonna hopefully have that next time I see you, and for the rest of the summer and probably into the fall. Mwah.